Hello friends, as you know, your web browser always saves information about the web pages you visit on your computer or mobile device so that they can load pages faster the next time you visit, or easily navigate to web pages with the same image without having to reload multiple times. The cache may sometimes prevent you from seeing updated content, or experience functional problems when the stored content does not match the current content. You can fix browser errors by cleaning the cache. I will guide you to clear the browser's cache memory. With Chrome browser, you click on the sign in the top right corner of the screen and select History. Here you will see a list of all the websites you have visited. Click on the item Clear Browsing Data on the left corner. Click Advanced tab, choose the hold time and the password and other login data options. If you do not need to remember the password to log into the website, click on it. Then click Clear Data. Thank you for watching my video.